Yes, this is Optimal FS. I'm going live on GBP USDT. So already I am on trade now. This is the trade, and this is a profile account, 10,000 profile account. So I want to work on it. So here is my here is my entry. You see my entry here. Here is my entry. Understand? And here is my stop loss. This is my stop loss here, and this is my entry. And the question is, why did I enter this trade? Why am I on sell? Why did I enter the trade? Now, this is how I do my analysis. First of all, I go to daily time frame. This is my daily time frame. Do you understand? So here is my trend line. This is my trend line. So from the trend line, you see that we are on downtrend. We are what? On downtrend. Let me zoom it. Are you seeing it? We are on downtrend. So the two trend line you are seeing. This is my weekly trend line. Why this is my daily trend line. And both of them are pointing downward. So this is how I trade. Both of them are pointing downward. So I am only making sales. I'm only on sales. Do you understand? So let me zoom it out. So here now I am on. This is daily time frame, and so this is the reason why I am on sell. On my daily time frame, you see that the ADX is on sell. ADS is showing me sell because the red line of ADS is up. So that is what I take notice of in on daily time frame. Then I now switch to 4 hour time frame. I now switch to 4 hour time frame. So only to be selling because everything is pointing down. So this is a sell signal for me. Do you understand? So if you watch, this is my sell entry here. Understand? This is my sell entry here. So and here is my stop loss. I've seen it. I got it. So I am on sell. Do you understand? So that is it. I will hold these trades for some days. Are you seeing it? This is a 1 hour time frame. You see, the market is still downtrend. Are you seeing it? So I'm holding these trades. Maybe when it gets to $100, $200, or $300 before I close it. So you see reason why I enter. This is my reason for entering. Downtrend on daily time frame, then switch to 4 hour time frame, and we still have a downtrend where I make my entry. Do you understand? All right.